didn't get anything? Did he not get it?
He did. What's this place called?
Corleone's.
We're at Corleone's.
I don't know what's what. Oh,
Meatball sub.
That's
Diet.
we're in straws. Karsen, you forgot straws. Now walk back up there. Pull it. Straws.
We all got the same thing, but we got the undercover meatball. Very cheesy, very meaty. His looks better than mine.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing, I just... Your cheese was nice and crispy. I'll take it back. That's alright.
Just because my cheese is nice and crispy. You check mine.
I was just gonna see. I don't know why they gave us forks. But yeah, we basically all got the same thing, so you guys can come here and eat if you're close. But we'll only be able to tell you how good the meatball sub is. So much. I got 2 sandwiches, so we'll be able to taste test and let you guys know. This place is really good though. The only... It's my new buddy. He said I can rip a Burnout on his little 125 here.
I don't know about Burnout, you can ride it. You're not the right clutch, right? I'm assuming. Take your first spin.
I tried popping it in second, but I don't think it had enough ass with me on it. Oh, fuck.
I started leaning to the left, so I kicked my right out, and I don't know what's the
He's so pretty. He's so pretty. You want to go home with me? I'll take the collar off right now.
He's just over a year old. She's, frick, I think she's 14 now, and she's 10.
He walks like an old man.
Yeah, he does.
Because he's got them
He
nuts that
listens like one, too.
hang in the way.
Ball out.
Yeah.
She's our hun dog. He's bound to be our hun dog. She's just a couch dog. Dixie. Dixie, sit. Good girl.
Do you have an air compressor? It's been tingling, buddy. Are you kidding me? I have a 80s GM vehicle without a motor in it. Something's not right in this world, and it just tingles and eats at you. Awesome, dude. Filling up the fucking tire for me.
What's going on, YouTube? These are the things that most people don't show in videos when you have problems along the way.
Yeah.
Even as small as a flat tire.
And you just happen to have a really nice friend that's located 5 minutes away from where you bought the car.
About as convenient as it gets right here.
Yeah. Filling up the air for you. All right, man. Thank you. Awesome, dude. Awesome, dude. Coolest Ford guy I've ever met in my life. Phenomenal. All right. Take me home. We're busting out the ham and cheese. I'm telling you, massive sandwiches.
In about 2.5 miles, turn left onto Washington Street.
Phenomenal.
Way to the window, lift it up slow, cause it takes time, and I looked around, and then I climbed in once inside. I started taking, cause you know, there's no time to shake.
See if there's like a wheel cleaner option or something.
Alright. Yeah, tire cleaner.
Alright, fuck it, do high pressure. The white one.